Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Sub. Today I shall explain question number 1, Roman 14, exercise 6.4. That has been taken from chapter 6, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, using differentials, find the approximate value of in bracket 3.968 raised to the power 3 over 2 up to 3 places of decimal. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that here I shall write let f of x equal to x raised to the power 3 over 2. Here you can see in the given function the index is 3 over 2. The same index 3 over 2 will be reflected here 3 over 2. F of x is fixed here, x is also fixed here. Here again I shall write implied that dWRT x. dWRT x means differentiating f of x with respect to x. Here we shall get d over dx of f of x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 3 over 2. Here again I shall write d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x. Here f dash of x is first order derivative of f of x equal to d over dx of x raised to the power 3 over 2 comes out to be 3 over 2 in bracket x raised to the power 3 over 2 minus 1, implied that f dash of x equal to 3 over 2 x raised to the power. Now simplify this one, 3 over 2 minus 1. So here you will get 3 over 2 minus 1 can be written as 3 over 2 minus 2 over 2 can be written as 1 over 2. 2 will be LCM, 3 minus 2 comes out to be 1 over 2. So here I shall write 1 over 2. This thing you have got. So implied that f dash of x I shall write 3 over 2 x raised to the power 1 over 2. This therefore I am going to erase this one. Now what will do next? Next I shall write the core function. The core value we have got equal to 3.968. This core value will be splitted into two parts. First part equal to x, second part first part I shall let x and second part will be delta x. Now it will become implied that the core value 3.968 equal to x plus delta x. This one will be there. You have to remember the core value will be this one. core value will be equal to x plus delta x. First part is x, second part is delta x. What we'll do next? Net this x, think over first part. First part again I shall let imply that let x is equal to y, x equal to y. Here x, value of x we have to find out. Y will be a constant that will be determined later on. Raised to the power. What will be index here? Here you can see in the original function here 3 over 2 is there. From 3 over 2 here you can see 3 over 2 is a fraction. From this fraction I shall take only denominator. Denominator here is 2. So here same denominator here 2 is there available here. So these 2 will be reflected here as index. X equal to y का whole square. These two will be fixed. Now find the value of y. Find the value of y. This one will be approx to 3.968. 3.968. X equal to y square. Approximate 3.968. Now what value of y should I put here in order to get this one? Approximate. So think over this approximate, this value, core value. Here you can see 3.968. 3.968. Here I have to get the value of y. What the value of y will be? Value of y will be what? You have to determine. Whole square is there. Approximate nearing to 3.968. So what value should I take here? Approximate. Whole square is there. Approx 2. Very nice, first class. Here I shall write let y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Then x equal to, put the value of y equal to 2. So here you will get 2 का whole square. Implied that x equal to 4. This thing you have got. Or here you can get x equal to 4 approximate to 3.968. Okay? बराबर है. Now what to do here? Put the value here. Here I shall write 3.968 equal to, put the value of x here 4 plus delta x. Implied that delta x equal to 3.968 minus 4. Isn't it? This 4 is there in right hand side, that will be moved to left hand side. It comes out to be 3.968 minus 4 equal to delta x. So what to do here? Subtract here 4.000. Here I shall write 3.968. What to do here? Here sign will be of greater value. Here write minus. Here will be, it will plus. What to subtract this one? Here will get 2. Isn't it? Here you will get 3. Here you will get 0. Here you will get 0. This one. Isn't it? Okay. Wrong. 10 minus 8 comes out to 2. 9 minus 6 comes out to 3. 9 minus 9 comes out to 0. Here 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. So here you will get implied that delta x equal to 0.032. This value you have got. Now the value of delta x you have determined as 0.032. Or and x equal to 4 you have got. Add this one. What to do here? Here minus will come. Here minus sign will be of greater value. Here minus will come. Isn't it? Here I shall write minus. So minus 0.032. It is okay because 4 is of greater value. The sign will be always of greater value. That's why I shall write here minus. Or x equal to 4 you have got. Now here I shall write by using the formula. By using the formula implied that formula you have to remember. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus in bracket delta x dot f dash of x. This is the formula you have to remember. F of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x dot f dash of x. This is the formula. So here you can see the value of f dash of x you have got this one here. Value of delta x you have got this one. Value of f of x I shall take from this place. Now determine this one. What will do here? Here I shall write f of value of x I shall put. Right here 4 plus delta x. Delta x, the value of delta x I shall take from this place. Minus 0.032 equal to f of x. F of x I shall take from this place. This one f of x equal to x raised to the power 3 over 2. So here write x raised to the power 3 over 2 plus value of delta x I shall write this one value. So here I shall write minus 0.032 dot f dash of x I shall take from this place. So here I shall write 3 over 2 x raised to the power 1 over 2. This value you have got. Here don't write point. This one you have got. What will do here? Here you will get, do the operation here. 4 minus 0.032 comes out to be this one, the core value we have got. So here I shall write 3.968 equal to, what will do here? Here open here curly bracket. The value of x I shall put. Value of x I shall put here. What? 4. Value of x equal to 4 I shall write. Raised to the power 3 over 2. Here do the operation here, you will get here minus 0.032. Write here in bracket dot. Dot, don't write here dot. 3 over 2. Here value of x I shall write what? 4 raised to the power 1 over 2. This one. Okay. Now what will do here? Here f of 3.968. Put the value here x equal to 3.968. So here 3.968 will be reflected. So here I shall write 3.968 raised to the power 3 over 2. Isn't it? This value will get. Or here what will do here? Open here curly bracket. This 4 can be written as 2 का whole square. Curly bracket close. Here you add 3 over 2. Here again I shall write minus 0.032 3 over 2. Here again I shall write, open here curly bracket, 2 का whole square raised to the power 1 over 2. This will be reflected here. So what will do in this case? Here again I shall write implied that here this 2 will be cancelled out. 2 into 3 over 2. Cancel I will get here 3. Index will be 3 because here 2 is index and 3 over 2 is also index. The index raised to the power index. In this case, both indices will be multiplied together. So this one will cancel out because This 2 is there in denominator, this 2 is there in numerator. Both will be cancelled, you will get here 2. So here you can write here 2 raised to the power 3 minus, here again I say 0.032. Here write 3 over 2. Again this 2 will be cancelled out, you will get here 2. Isn't it? So what will do, this 2 will be cancelled out. You will get here, implied that here as I shall write, implied that 3.968 raised to the power 3 over 2 equal to, here 2 raised to the power 3 comes out to be 2 cube. 2 cube comes out to be 8. Here 8 minus, here what will do, here this 2 has been cancelled out. So here 0.032 will be multiplied by 3. So we will get here 0.0. Here you get 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So here you get 96. This one 3 2 is 6, I have written. 3 3 is 9, 9 I have written. So this thing we will get. So what we will do here, again I shall write implied that, here implied that 3.968 raised to the power 3 over 2. Again I shall write 3.968 raised to the power 3 over 2 equal to 8 minus 0.096. Do the operation here in rough work. Here I shall write 8.000. After decimal 3 points, after decimal 3 digits are available. So here after decimal I shall write 3 zeros. Here again I shall write 0.096. Do the operation here minus. So here you will get 4. Here you will get 10 minus 6, 4. Here 9 minus 9 comes out to be 0. Here you will get 9 only. Isn't it? Here you will get 7. Isn't it correct? So what to do in this case? Imply that again I shall write 3.968 raised to the power 3 over 2 approximate. This is the symbol of approximate value, comes out to be 8 minus 0.096. 8 minus 0.096 comes out to be 7.904. So this answer you have got. Now you have got answer equal to, answer implied that approximate 7.904. This will be the correct answer. Let us check the answer from the key point here. Just wait for a while. I shall check the answer from the key point whether this answer is correct or not. So here I have got answer 7.904. 7.904. I think this answer 7.904 will be the correct answer. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1. Roman 14, that has been taken from exercise 6.4, chapter 6, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. This is the rough work I am going to erase here. Answer you have got approximate value 7.904. Okay guys, thanks. अब बताओ, रख जाओ.